Meaning of emplacement.
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 Emplacement. Emplacement refers to the act of placing or positioning something, particularly military equipment, such as guns or artillery pieces, in a defensive position. This involves locating and preparing a suitable site for the equipment and installing it in such a way that it can be easily and effectively used during combat situations. The process may also involve camouflaging the equipment to minimize its visibility to the enemy. Successful emplacement can significantly enhance a military unit's defensive capabilities by providing them with strategically located firepower to repel potential attacks.